Hi, hello. So I just wanted to do a hopefully quick post to say, what is this place? What is this page? What to expect from something that you expect things from. So it's primarily going to be two things with room for anything else that also shares the same purpose. So one of them, short little insights or aphorisms, though they may not always be witty, that are, restricted to sticky note size, and that's literally what I use, what most of my life is made out of, as well as longer form theories or hypotheses, usually psychological or philosophical in nature, or psychosophical if you prefer, which I do, and all of which is aimed at understanding and trying to navigate and improve the human condition. So why care about this? Well, you don't have to, for one. But for me, the best way to answer that is to explain that this comes from my lifelong obsession with analyzing and trying to understand the human condition, and more importantly, the universal principles or values that underpin it, right? Such as power or truth. Those are life psychological underpinning, and these source values are the things that drive us forward, backward, nowhere at all. These are our gods. And with that in mind, as well as the fact that things are, I'd say, a bit messy and complicated, and that there's room for improvement, the way that I've helped keep myself and my life together is these things, these little insights that sometimes are born out of from staring at the wall, or from hardships I've dealt with, or problems I haven't seemed to conquer. When I have these are my little ahas, I guess, most of them, and the larger pieces are my attempts at understanding and reconstructing and suggesting solutions to us, to how we are. So this system of theories is, I'm tempted to understand, an attempt to understand or navigate and improve my life on a daily scale, and maybe we'll get to something bigger too. From proposed modes of being to the importance of creation in general, and or specifically in terms of conflict and meaning, hypothesize alternatives to dualistic thinking, risk, surrender, all sorts of fun stuff. And this stuff has, honestly, some of it's become so vital and integral to me. It's, this is like the little human I'm building. Some have become its skeletal structure, some even the vital organs or the blood. And anyway, my hope is that by sharing this, my little human and its tools with you, that it would help you in yours. And that also brings up an important point. This is actually just phase one in my larger plan. So this is getting out my, the little ahas will always be happening, but the larger ideas, getting out that system, so then we can actually move on to this larger project called Building a Better Human. I'll put a little link to that page. There's nothing on it yet, but there will be. That project is actually going to be really addressing the sources. Doing this stuff helps, and it's awesome, this system of theories, but if you're not treating the source, you're really just putting a band-aid on a bullet wound, right? And Building a Better Human is going to be our attempt at doing just that, and I'll need your help for it. I'll talk a lot more about it later, but we'll be creating a system of collaborative theories aimed at understanding and improving the human condition, and hopefully it'll be fun. Welcome to the psychosophical fun zone, guys. So that's it. That's all I got right now. Welcome to Generative Death. where we're dying to live and getting better at it every day. That's it. I'm gonna go. Okay, bye.